Hi Diamond fans, it's so late, I'm tired. Welcome to A Mile Pony Friendship is Magic. I feel like not talking at all. Meet the main 6 ponies collection. Beautiful Twilight for ages 3 and up. No one cares. We got Rainbow Dash, Crazy Pinkie Pie, Crazy Pie. I'm gonna see a soul. Rarity, Creepy Rarity, Fluttershy, Applejack, Alicorn Twat. Remove the wings now. I'm going to stare into your soul. Oh my god. And this is meant for... God, my darn light. My bedroom light is really bright on this. God, Twilight Sparkly, yeah. No one cares. Don't be a savage. Alright, I can't. Beautiful. Alright, I finally got it open. Oh god, that's loud. It's like really late at night. Alright. Have to use my legs as a support. This hates me. Alright, I can't right now. This is why. Ow. Really, they don't want to come out. Oh my god. It's late at night too, so my hands are weak and I'm using my right hand. Hint, I can't use my right hand is really hard. Okay, so the only ones I could get out were Rainbow Dash and Fluttershy because they hate me. They really do. The quality's nice and accurate on them. You can rip off their tail. That's like really rude if you do. Can't get it back in her butt. There. Sorry, wherever that the camera aimed, but yeah, Rainbow Dash, my voice cracked. Wow. This is so beautiful. Staring into your soul. Everyone loves to do that. But yeah, I'm sorry. This is just obnoxiously loud. Like, really, Twilight? Are you gonna come out? Oh my god, it's a miracle. I'm afraid with that hair. Yeah, whatever. I'm on my bed, so this is holding my tripod phone. Well, my phone with tripod attached. I'm afraid my dad's gonna come up here and yell at me and say it's frickin' 10 o'clock. I can't even. He's gonna come up here and yell at me and say it's freaking 10 o'clock at night. You should be in bed. Yeah, stuff like that. Or like, you should have been in bed already or something. Yeah. Well, the beauty of souls. Am I right? I'm so tired. I could take a nap while making this video. I really want to use these ponies in the Rainbow Factory series I'm making. I totally would. These ones could be the ones that die or something. Rainbow Dash I'm totally gonna use because she looks freaking awesome. Twilight could burn. I mean really, why? I'm gonna just stop. This is irritating. Bye, my diamond fans. Stay awesome. Don't let anyone hurt your feelings or anything. I'm sorry, I can't even. Yeah, night. Night, every pony.